Have you heard about the MOOWR scheme and how it can benefit your business? The manufacturing and other operations in a customs-bonded warehouse, or MOOWR, is a revolutionary initiative by the government of India that has completely transformed the warehousing landscape. Gone are the days of limited scope in warehousing. With MOOWR, the benefits extend even to existing domestic tariff area units, bringing them under a convenient duty deferment scheme. The MOOWR scheme, launched by the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, aims to defer the customs duties on imported goods that are used for manufacturing or conducting other operations. This strategic move is designed to transform India into a competitive manufacturing hub and an attractive investment destination. The scheme, based on Section 65 of the Customs Act of 1962, comes with transparent procedures, simplified compliance requirements, and digital account keeping. So how does a business apply for this scheme? Any enterprise wishing to conduct manufacturing or any other operation can apply under the MOOWR scheme. The process is straightforward. Fill up a simplified form and support it with a solvency certificate issued by your bank. Submit these documents to your jurisdictional Commissioner of Customs office. For those based in Delhi, this would be the Delhi 3 Commissionerate, falling under the new Custom House, EPC Cell, Gurugram. It's important to remember that MOOWR is a duty deferment scheme, not a duty exemption scheme. The duty on both imported capital goods and inputs stands deferred until they are cleared from the warehouse. However, if the capital goods are cleared to a domestic tariff area, the deferred duties become payable. If finished goods are cleared into a domestic tariff area, both the GST on finished goods and import duties on imported inputs become payable. But worry not, the GST and the IGST paid as part of import duties will be available as credit. And in case of export of capital goods or finished goods, the duty on imported inputs stands remitted. One of the major highlights of the MOOWR scheme is its flexibility. There is no minimum investment requirement or restriction on its location. This, along with the flexibility of sourcing capital goods and inputs, and the flexibility for sale, makes the scheme particularly attractive for MSMEs. They can source inputs and capital goods optimally and sell their products in the domestic tariff area or the international market as per their choice. Furthermore, under the MOOWR scheme, inputs can be sent for job work at the job worker's premises under prior intimation to the jurisdictional commissioner office. To recap, the MOOWR scheme is a game changer for businesses in India, particularly MSMEs. It offers a duty deferment scheme, simplified compliance, and flexibility in sourcing and sales. By applying for this scheme, businesses can enjoy deferred duties, potential credit, and the freedom to sell their products domestically or internationally. Remember, the key to benefiting from the MOOWR scheme is understanding its procedures and making the most of its flexibility.